Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in daily weather briefing. So the dense to very dense fog conditions and cold day to severe cold day conditions over the plains of North India are likely to continue to prevail during next 4 to 5 days, and also the cold wave to severe cold wave conditions are likely to continue over plains of Northwest India during next 5 days, although with lesser intensity. So if we talk about the observations today, so cold day to severe cold day conditions have been observed over Punjab at many places, over Haryana at many places, and also over Uttar Pradesh at many places. But cold wave conditions have been observed at some parts of Punjab, at isolated parts of Haryana, and also at isolated parts of West UP. And cold day conditions also prevailed over Bihar and also over parts of Northwest India, especially over the region of Gwalior. So as we can see here that the fog layer is there from Punjab to extending up to East India, but the layer has lifted up, and therefore the fog intensity is being seen only during the night and early morning hours, and in the evening fog has almost dissipated from the plains of North India. Here we can see that the visibility being reported by Bhatinda, Amritsar, and all these stations of Ambala and Hisar, visibility up to 25 to 50 meters. So if we talk about North India airports, so only Amritsar airport has reported 0 meter visibility. Except this, no other airport has reported very dense fog, that is 0 meter visibility in the night and morning, night of yesterday and morning of today. And Palam airport of Delhi reported a minimum visibility of 300 meters only. So now if we, and this is the minimum temperature graph, and its actual minimum temperature and the departure of the minimum temperatures, and we can see that the minimum temperatures are almost normal, in the normal category over entire North Indian plains, and although at some parts of Punjab they have reported in the range of 2 to 4 degrees centigrade. Amritsar has reported lowest minimum temperature of 2 degrees centigrade, and Punjab and in Haryana 2-3 stations have reported 3 to 4 degrees centigrade temperature, although over Delhi the temperatures have increased by about 2 degrees centigrade as compared to yesterday. And similar is the situation of the cold day conditions, that is the departure of maximum temperatures. Its situation seems to be relatively more grave, and here we can see that the maximum temperatures are showing departures of greater than 5 degrees centigrade below normal over UP and Bihar. So these were the areas which showed cold day conditions over UP and Bihar. So here is the warning maps for next 5 days. As we can see that the cold day to severe cold day conditions is again likely to continue over Punjab, and also cold wave to severe cold wave condition likely to continue over Punjab today, and that's why the red color is persisting for warning map over Punjab, and also dense to very dense fog is likely over Punjab in the night and morning hours. And from tomorrow onwards, Punjab is only on 18th and 19th only with the orange color, because we are expecting a slight decrease in the cold day conditions, but the dense to very dense fog conditions would continue till 19th at many places, and from 20th we are expecting that dense to very dense fog conditions would be in isolated pockets only, and that's why the yellow color. And similar is the situation for Haryana. Haryana today is likely to experience again cold day to severe cold day conditions, except Delhi, and cold wave condition is likely over Haryana tomorrow, but only in isolated to some pockets. And then on 18th of January also cold wave condition would continue, but in only isolated pockets, and thereafter the intensity is likely to slightly decrease, but it will not abate, it will not go away, and cold wave to cold day conditions over Punjab and Haryana are likely to continue during next 5 days, but it is likely to slightly improve from 19th and 19th of January. And that was all about cold wave and cold day and dense fog conditions over Punjab and Haryana, adjoining parts of North Rajasthan, Northwest MP, and also over Bihar. Next 5 days cold day condition is likely to continue. And dense fog condition is also likely over Bihar and over Jharkhand, over Gangetic West Bengal, and over Odisha today, and from tomorrow the dense fog would be is likely only over Jharkhand and Bihar on 18th and 19th of January. So, and we are also likely to expect we are also likely to receive isolated to scattered light to moderate rainfall over Gangetic West Bengal, adjoining parts of Jharkhand and over Odisha, and even the rainfall over Gangetic West Bengal may go to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall by tomorrow. And this, if we look into this cold day and cold wave condition persisting over the plains of North India, then if we go into the regions behind it, so today the jet stream winds at about 12 km above mean sea level are persisting of the intensity of 140 to 160 kmph over the plains of North India. The winds at 200 HPA are reporting to be 140 to 160 kmph over Amritsar, over Jaipur, over Delhi, and over the stations of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh like Gwalior and Lucknow, and also over the stations of Gaya and Ranchi as well. So due to these strong jet stream winds, cooler air is being subsided over the plains of North India, and it is intensifying the cold wave and cold day conditions over the region. And another reason is the absence of active WDs in the month of December and January. Generally we get 5 to 7 moderate to intense intensity of WD in the months of December and January, but in these 2 months we have hardly get any active western disturbance, although we received some western disturbance in the end of December and also in the first week of January, but this impacted only the regions of central India, that is West Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. That's why we can see in the blue color the rainfall over Gujarat, East Rajasthan, and over West MP, and also over the parts of northern Maharashtra and East MP as well. But we are seeing that the region of Western Himalayan region is large deficient in terms of rainfall, and in the month of January up till now there has been no snowfall, 100% deficient rainfall, that is no rainfall or snowfall over the Western Himalayan region, and 99% over Uttarakhand, and 100% over Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad and Himachal Pradesh, and 75 to 85% of deficient rainfall and snowfall in the month of December was observed. And this scarcity of WD is very much related to the prevailing El Nino conditions over the Pacific Ocean. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.